Welcome back. So I would recommend you to watch this series, NTA OG series. It's a good way to revise all the top topics and get a feel of original questions designed by NTA. The link will be in the pinned comment. So there are 4 different statements. Which of the following statements are correct regarding female reproductive cycle? In non-primate mammals, cyclic changes during reproduction are called estrous cycle. Now, in case you don't know this point, just check the options. A is in every option. That means this is a correct statement. So don't get anxious, don't get scared if you come across any unfamiliar term. First menstrual cycle begins at puberty and is called menopause. Menopause is wrong. B is wrong. So B, A, first and fourth options are wrong. Then D is common here. You only need to find out whether C is correct or not. Lack of menstruation may be indicative of pregnancy. Correct. C is correct. So option 2 is the right answer. This is the list which is given in Animal Kingdom of mammals, out of which I have selected the non-primate mammals. So except for monkey, all are non-primate. They show estrous cycle. Now what is the difference between estrous cycle and menstrual cycle? The difference is in estrous cycle there won't be any bleeding because the endometrium will be reabsorbed in the body. Isn't this great? I mean, if this would happen in human beings, every woman will be happy. Cholecystokinin, this is related to this one, pancreas. It will stimulate the secretion of pancreatic enzyme. A4 is in 2 and 3. B is either 2 or 3. GIP is related to gastric gland. B is 3. So option 3 is the answer. CCK acts on both pancreas and gallbladder and stimulates secretion of pancreatic enzymes and bile juice. GIP inhibits gastric secretion and motility. Next one, cartilaginous joints. Always look for vertebrae. Here it is, vertebrae between adjacent vertebrae. A2. A2 is in 2 and 4. Then B4 is common. C is either 3 or 1. Fibrous joint will be skull. Yeah, so C is 1. So option 4 is the answer. This is the answer. So ball and socket and hinge joints are pretty easy to remember. You might get confused in these 3. Pivot joint is between atlas and axis. Gliding is between carpals. And saddle is between carpal and metacarpal of thumb.